Hi, this is Rhonda. I wanted to show you how easy it is to make your own do-it-yourself household cleaner. I use this for windows. I use this for just cleaning countertops, cleaning tables, oven. I just freshened my washer a few minutes ago and used all of my cleaner up, so I'm making a fresh batch. So I wanted to let you see how easy it is to make your own cleaner. You can get the Thieves concentrate cleaner, about $20. It goes a long way because you're only using a small amount at a time. Normally I use these big glass spray bottles, and I would normally fill up a 15 milliliter used bottle of oil with the Thieves cleaner to make this size. And since I'm doing a smaller size, this is the one for the kids bathroom, I'm actually going to only do half that size